The Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is all about providing a straightforward, affordable way for people with limited or bad credit to jumpstart their credit journey. The main highlight here is its focus on helping users build or repair their credit. Unlike most secured cards, it offers a low minimum security deposit, sometimes as little as $49, depending on creditworthiness. That's a big plus if upfront cash is tight, but you still want a shot at improving your financial standing. There's always a minimum $200 credit line, and in some cases, your credit limit could be higher than what you put down, a nice surprise that isn't standard everywhere. On the cost front, there's no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about an extra yearly charge eating away at any progress you make. Capital One reports your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, so building a history of on-time payments and staying well below your credit limit means your score can steadily grow. The refundable security deposit adds some peace of mind, as you can get your money back if you upgrade to an unsecured card. For anyone making purchases abroad, no foreign transaction fees are included, removing annoying surprises on your statement if you use the card while traveling. CreditWise comes free too, so there's a built-in tool for monitoring your credit score and learning how your habits affect it. Still, the card has 0 rewards on spending, no cash back, no points, not even a welcome bonus for signing up. So if you're hoping to get a little something for everyday use, this isn't the card. The ongoing APR is a steep 29.74%, which is definitely on the high end. That makes it essential to pay off your full balance every month to avoid heavy interest charges. The credit limit might also feel restrictive, since even if you deposit more to raise your limit, there could be a cap. Some users have also experienced frustration with Capital One's customer service, especially when managing their accounts or moving from secured to unsecured status. In summary, the Capital One Platinum Secured Card is a no-nonsense tool for anyone wanting to focus squarely on building credit without worrying about fees. But the lack of rewards and the high potential interest charges are real drawbacks. This card's best fit is for people who plan to use it responsibly, pay on time, and carry a 0 balance, since falling behind or carrying debt can cost more than it's worth.